guys, here I am in the XenonZcar shop, working on getting these intercooler pipes finished up here for the 85-300ZX VG33. Right now what I'm doing here is putting a bead on the intercooler piping that we made, and going to go ahead and show you what I do to get that little bead on the end so your intercooler plumbing don't come apart under boost. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera around here in a second, and hopefully try to find a place I can set this phone down to show everybody. So give me 1 second and we'll see what we can do here. Alright, hopefully you guys can all see what I have going on here, other than the mess. What I do here, let me get this pulled off. I took a old pair of vice grips and a scrap piece of steel and a 2.5 inch. Hold on 1 second. What I did, like I said, took a pair of cheap vice grips. They can be pretty much anything. I like the ones with the little handle right, the release right at the end here. It's a little easier to get on it. But what I do is I go ahead and I cut the end of them off and weld onto it a piece of scrap steel in a radius just under 2.5 inches, and then take a 2.5 inch exhaust clamp and weld that other portion on to the vice grips there. At that point, it becomes a flanging tool. So let me see if I can get this phone set up so you all can see what I'm doing here. So what I do is mark the pipe about a 1/4 inch in, and you can then take your tool and line that clamp up, the exhaust clamp up on that line. And it's just as easy as just going around little by little and lining that out. Start off with small bites, and eventually we'll get a nice bead on the end, just like this one. That's what we're doing today. Once I get these pipes done, then I can throw the turbo ECU in, finish hooking up the belts and the upper radiator hose, fill it with coolant, and bleed everything out. And that car can get back over off the lift and ready for the body work. We're doing the Camerini full body kit. I got to stretch the side skirts, like I said before, since it is a 2+2 and the kit only comes in a 2-seater variety. So that ain't gonna happen until this weather gets a little bit warmer. It's about 35 degrees here at this point. Supposed to get up into the 40s today, hopefully. So hope you guys enjoy watching all this little crap I do here. So thanks a lot for watching.